My name is Seamus Sam. I'm the head chef here at Muse restaurant in Belgravia, and I'm going to show you a chicken dish with truffle, potato and onion. Yeah, chicken isn't something you'd usually see on fine dining menus, but we sourced these amazing 90-day aged chickens. The chicken crowns have been deskinned and then they've been brined overnight. So the brine consists of 5% salt, and then we've got a combination of honey and sugar, as well as your classic aromats of thyme, bay and garlic. So the mousse is made with the chicken thighs, and then we finish it also with confit chicken thigh that's been chopped, as well as chopped winter truffle and some confit shallot as well. So then we pipe the mousse onto the crowns, we cling film that, and then we steam that in the oven till the temperature reaches around 42 degrees. And then in service, we'll take the breast off the crown, reflash it in the oven, and then finish it with the crumb. So the potato spiral I'm going to show you is made with potatoes from a farmer called Chris Hazelden, who's based down in Sussex. Amazing potatoes. We're using the Maris Piper variety. So we peel them and then we turn them on the Japanese mandolin to get a really large sheet. We then brush the potato with a mixture of chicken fat and clarified butter, which has been infused with lots of herbs. We roll it really tightly, and then cling film that, and then steam that in the oven for about 15 minutes at 100 degrees. So the next one is the bread sauce foam. So it's we infuse milk with thyme, bay, a bit of nutmeg, strain that off onto a combination of just white bread as well as a little bit of brioche sweetness. And we blend that, add in a bit of our homemade sourdough miso, and that just gets put into a canister and kept warm. So the fermented barley risotto consists of 3 different types of barley that have been fermented for a week, and then we finish it off with a little bit of creme fraiche and miso, and then also in there you've got barbecued Roscoff onion, as well as chanterelles that have been lightly barbecued, and then we add a little bit of chicken farce made from the drumsticks, as well as some chopped tarragon to finish it off. So the first thing that will go on the plate is a classic garlic cream. We do a little circle of that, and then we're going to put a little Brussels sprout that's been caramelized, as well as a little shell of it. And then the potato spiral, which has been cut in half. And then that's garnished with caramelized onion puree, crispy chicken skin and some pickled onions. Then to finally finish off, you've got the chicken, which we carve. We cover it with a crumb of crispy chicken and potato, and then finish it with 2 sauces, which is classic chicken and truffle sauce, and then a chicken cream sauce as well. And then on the side, you've got the little risotto with the bread sauce foam on top. So here you have the chicken dish with potato, fermented grains and truffle.